Mount your camera on a tripod using either landscape or portrait mode. After that, make a record an empty space for a few seconds. Then walk into the scene. Sit down at your comfort. Make an imaginary sign as if you are wiping yourself. Then you walk out. Like, comment, and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and locate your notification bell so that you will be notified anytime we drop new updates. Support us to grow. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Import it, then you need an empty space. Go front a bit, click on the video, make a split. Then you go to the end of the video, delete the part you don't want. So at this ending part, click on the video. At this ending part, click on the video, make a split. Delete this last part, we don't need it again. Then you come now, click on this one, go and look for overlay. Look for overlay, guys. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. This is overlay. Click and hold the video and take it to the beginning of the empty background. Then you click on the video now. Go and look for mask. Look for mask, guys. This is mask. Click on mask. Then click on mask. Then take it to this place where your hand is up. You come and click on horizontal. Take the video to this point where your hand is up here. This place at this line now. Come and click on horizontal. Click on horizontal. Come and click on horizontal. Then turn the line. Turn it. Turn the line. Then you take it up to review that your hand. At the top of that your hand. So at this point, you come and click keyframe. Click on keyframe, then adjust the video a bit. Yes, then drag the line down. Use the line to wipe yourself and put it at the point of that your hand, at the top of your hand. Please don't pass your hand. Watch well, listen well so that I will understand. Align it to be at the top of your hand exactly, please. Then at this point, you adjust the video a bit again. Then you drag the line again. Drag the line to the exact point of your hand again. Let it be at the point of your hand. Then you adjust the video after you finish aligning it. After you finish making it well to be at the point of your hand, you adjust the video again for the last time. Then you wipe it out completely. Yes, that is it. Let us see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. Yes, you can see. You can see. Yes, this is it. Yes, at this point, our video is ready. Click on that empty background. It's too long. Click on it, make a split and delete this part. So at this point, you just export your video to your gallery. Our video is ready. You can now share it to your social media handles. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other viewers out there. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.